Brad Williams, Excel primed, dealing with tables. What, you say? Yes, we can incorporate all this in table. How can you recognize whether this is a table or not? Make sure you're within your block. And up here in the ribbon, you're going to see table design. But this is a table 1, this is table 2. You can format these things accordingly. That's a whole new discussion. And if you're interested, if you're not at all familiar with the table format within Excel, go back to my very beginning tutorials on beginner Excel, and you can enroll in that course, and I'll take you through the entire table from A to Z in terms of design, configuring, inputting, etc. That's not the discussion. We're here focusing on how to incorporate VSTACK tables into a single table. When you do this, you lose the table configuration. This is table 1. Up here we have table design. But we go over here to our output and we lose that table. If you need the table structure, you're not going to be able to use VSTACK within and include the table outcome. Now, you can take this same data once you've VSTACKed it and put it into a new table. Just go to insert table and produce whatever output you want. This is just a simple way of grabbing your table 1, table 2. That's it. That's our input. Array 1 is table 1, same as we've done before, and table 2. Why? Because when we're dealing with tables, you're going to get this name range or this recognized. Do you see where it says table 1? Table 1. And then we have table 2. And this is the way the engineers designed this thing. It's to grab this table information and then it just spills right on over into whatever layout you incorporate. Over here is a brief narrative. Here's the anatomy. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.